What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. No more DC2. If you saw the last video, it's been sold. Still have the Evo, but we are taking the DB8 Integra Type R to the mountains today. We're going to go check out Caesar's Head, Table Rock area, 178, 276, ravaged with wildfires a couple months ago. We're going to see what it looks like up there. Haven't been up there since after the Hurricane Helene last year either. Probably going to be a lot of trees down, lots of fire damage. But we are gonna take the Type R out and I'm gonna show you why you need this car. Number one reason why you need this car is its four-door practicality. More room for the whole family. While we fill up with some gas before we head up to the mountains here in Pickens, South Carolina, let's talk about a couple cars. I wanted to kind of compare the Type R we're driving here today to something similarly priced with similar horsepower and what I think I would rather have. And it's just my opinion, of course. And I wish we had one here to compare side by side. That would be awesome. But a 2020-ish four-door Honda Civic Si. The 2020 Civic Si is around 205 horsepower, where this 1998 Integra Type R four-door is around 197 horsepower. They are both very similar 0 to 60 times. I think the Integra is 6.5, I want to say, and I think the SI, the four-door sedan version, is 6.3 0 to 60. So horsepower and 0 to 60 times, very similar. We'll continue this conversation as we head up the mountain. Bruh, I'm stuffed. I meant to talk more before we got into Brevard to eat, but as I was setting the GoPro up at the gas station on 11, an Evo 10 passed us, modified as could be, an R35 GTR. I think there was an older Supra, and then something else, an MR2. Anyways, we jumped on and tried to catch up to them, but they were passing on double yellows, zooming through the mountain. And I'm not gonna do all that with the whole fam in the car, and now that I've gotten older, it's kind of not how I do things, I guess, anymore. That last road that you saw us going up, just a quick little clip of, that was Highway 178 into North Carolina. Comes into Rosman, North Carolina. But we're here in Brevard now. We're gonna go up a couple more driving roads real quick. The boys here at the dog place giving me some props on the car. Let's get the GoPro mounted up, let's head up another road and take it for a drive. Guys, the DB8 is so freaking cool. I can't stress enough how freaking cool it is. It is awesome to be able to throw the family in it, come up to the mountains and hit VTEC along the way. I'm in love with it. I wish I could keep this one, but since this is the first batch after, many years, I've got to sell them. I got to make some of the money back. But if I could keep one of them, I think it'd be the DB8. I know I said it was the DC2, but it would be extremely uncomfortable to put all three of us grown in the back, or one of us in the back of the DC2. Having those four doors is absolutely awesome. The Blue Ridge Parkway is beautiful. If you guys have never been, you have to come to Western North Carolina and do the Blue Ridge Parkway. There's some great roads through here. 276 is what we came up here on. 178's another great one. 215 above Rosman, another awesome one that'll bring you to the Parkway. Absolutely amazing roads. It's crazy too, because a few months ago, 7-8 months ago, this place was devastated by Hurricane Helene. Just about 30 miles east from here into Asheville, it was terrible. I got to go fly drones to help with the recovery efforts in Asheville days after Helene, like the next day after. And it was completely devastated there. I couldn't believe how much damage was done. And it was up here on the Parkway too. You can see remnants still from some of these trees being down, but it was absolutely devastating to this area. It's nice to see it kind of recovering now. I think I hear the Type R coming back. First drive thoughts.
It's fun. I feel like it handles it really well.
And it's a Honda. VTEC, reliable. This ain't no Evo. You got 4 doors like an Evo, but the reliability of a Honda. But you got VTEC, which is better. Gonna do a little bit more Blue Ridge Parkway driving. Megan behind the wheel. There is a tunnel coming up, which I am excited about. Beautiful waterfalls right on the side of the road. Extremely cold mountain water. Feels amazing.
My feet are freezing.
Feels good though. What?
Why did you get used to it?
Because it feels good. Keep your feet in the water.
My feet are freezing.
If you guys have never been to the mountains of Western North Carolina, Eastern Tennessee, it's absolutely beautiful. So many awesome roads to drive and beautiful roadside attractions. You can just come down a few stairs and visit. Absolutely awesome here. This is, again, just off of Highway 276 in North Carolina in the Pisgah Forest.
Yeah.
Do what?
How is that rock not like collapsed yet?
I don't know. It's kind of scary looking up at it.
Please don't take me to the kitchen. Oh, great.
The devil's kitchen.
I have to kind of go like sideways. Everybody does. Oh, that's glitchy too.
Why is it wet?
Like, that's already tight enough for me. I don't know how those people that go into like 1-inch caves do that. But do not go to the devil's kitchen.
Beautiful Caesar's Head, looking back out at Table Rock that got burned up in the fires a couple months ago. Looking back down into Pickens County in South Carolina down there. Our house is that way somewhere. Last stop before getting back to the house, we were down back on Highway 11. Look at Table Rock up there. It is burnt up. Never used to look that bald, but like I said, we had some bad forest fires a couple months ago that torn up Table Rock. If you guys are here local, do not go to 276 Caesar's Head right now because it sucks. The road's not paved well and it's very bumpy. And good God, don't get in the back of the Type R. Type R actually comes with a 12-year-old now. Anybody interested? The price is also lower now. But look at the beautiful Type R. Has done absolutely awesome today. We got to get home though. Boy, I tell you what, there ain't a better, more capable, four-door, high-revving JDM machine than this thing right here. It's been proven to be able to do 6 hours back at high speeds from the port, about a little less than 400 miles. It has now done over 3 hours of mountain driving up through the mountains of South Carolina and western North Carolina. And what a beast this thing is. I know I've been comparing cars today and trying to like compare it to a similarly priced, similarly horsepower, similarly fast car. And I mean, I don't know if you can beat it for the money as far as a four-door VTEC high revving Honda goes than this right here. If you're looking for practicality, but the sportiness of an Integra Type R, I mean, this is it. This is what it was made for. Like I said, only about 5,000 ever produced. And this one is an absolute freaking blast to drive. And Captain's taking a dump in the garden. Thanks, bud. What a freaking awesome day. Tons of Honda content we've already completed. I think it's about time I get you guys some Evo content. Absolute blast in both the Type Rs. I'm happy we still have this one, but I do need to sell it again. It is for sale. I've got it listed up at 25,400, I think 25,400 USD, which again, good luck even getting one from Japan right now at that price. You might be able to buy one. I don't know about a DB8, but a DC2, you might be able to get a DC2 in that price range in Japan. But shipping, import, titling, registering, right here, you can have it. Super easy, super simple. Hit me up if you're in the market for a beautiful Integra Type R. We'll do some Evo content next video. Thanks for watching, guys.